Namaskar friends, welcome to Easy Peasy Hindi. Today we will learn how to write numbers in Hindi. There is a basic common rule. Most of the numbers in Hindi are made with a curved tail at the end. So we just make the number similar to an, the number we would write in English numericals, but we make a curvy tail at the end of it. Let's start with shunya or zero. It's written exactly similar to the zero that we write in English. Then comes one or ek. We write one by making an anti-clockwise circle and making a small curvy tail at the end of it. Then comes do or two. It is written similar to the two we write in English, except that we make a curve at the beginning of the two and we give it a curvy tail at the end of it. Then comes 3. 3 is also written similar to the 3 in English mathematical numbers, but here also we begin it with a small curve from in the beginning of 3 and we finish it with a curvy tail at the end. Then comes 4 or 4. 4 is written as an incomplete 8. So the top of 8 is not completed. That's 4. Then comes 5. 5 is written exactly the way we would write a small y in cursive English. Then comes 6. 6 is written by making two C's and finishing the tail end of a C with a small curvy tail. Then comes 7 or 7. It is written by making a small curvy tail, at the end of it. 8. 8 is written similar to L, but we don't make a sharp L. We give it a gentle curve at the joint, and that's our 8. Then comes 9 or 9. 9 is written as if we have horizontally flipped 1. Okay, so we make an anti-clockwise circle and we give it a nice curvy tail at the end. And then comes 10 or 10, which is made by joining ek and shunya, that is 1 and 0 together. So friends, let's revise once again. Shunya, ek, do, teen, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So friends, I hope this video was helpful in learning a very simple way how to write the numbers in Hindi. Thank you so much for your time and I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, goodbye, take care and बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.